Hello guys, welcome back to Challenge 1000 Part 3. Last time I asked you to write an ebook using the OpenOffice Writer. I wrote mine on alternative medicine, and now I am going to go through the text, and everywhere that is appropriate I'm going to put a link to a product that is sold on Amazon or on ClickBank. And so let's go here. First we'll see the alternative medicine. Here I'm going to put a link. So I'm going to go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. I'm going to log in to my account, and here I'm going to search for products, alternative medicine, and go. And you can see that it brought up several books on alternative medicine. I'm going to pick one of them, and I'm going to get the link for it. Now, as you remember, last time we used this HTML code here to put it in our blog, but we do not have that option here. We don't want HTML, we want just a simple link because we're linking through an ebook. Unfortunately, Amazon does not provide such a link, but we can get it in this way. Just come here and click on it, and it's going to take you to the page where somebody can buy the book. Up here you can see that this is your tracking ID, which is the tracking ID that you saw in the first page when you logged in. This is how Amazon keeps track in order to give you credit. So always check to be sure that the link that you're going to be putting in your ebook has that tracking ID. Now this one has it, so I'm going to highlight, just triple click the URL and right click and copy. And now I'm going to come back here where I have highlighted the text, and I'm going to go to hyperlink, and I'm going to right click and paste and apply. And if you want to be 100% sure that you're going to get credit and that this will take people to the right place, you want to open another browser and come up here on the URL and right click and paste and hit enter and see if it will take us to the right place. And here it is, the book, and here is the tracking ID. So this thing works right. I'm going to go on and put more links in this ebook everywhere that I can. Here is another spot in my ebook where it has alternative medicine, and here I'm going to promote a ClickBank product. So let's go over to clickbank.com. I will log in, you log into your account. Here it's going to take you to a page where on top here you will see these links, and we're going to click on the marketplace, and on the marketplace we can search for a product. Again, I'm searching for alternative medicine and click find, and as you can see it has brought up several ebooks that you can promote. What you want to do is go through here and find one which has a high gravity. This GRAV 3.28 means that this book is selling. Gravity number depends on how many sales are being made by people that are already promoting, and the higher the gravity, the better. Also, you will notice that when a sale is made, you will get 75% of the price. ClickBank will pay you that money. Selling ClickBank ebooks is more difficult than selling Amazon products, but once you sell, you get a very high commission. Now here I'm going to click on Promote, and it brings me to this page. This tracking ID is optional, and after you make a lot of sales and you want to keep track of what is being sold and where, you can use this tracking ID, but for now we're going to forget it. We'll click on Create, and we're going to get our hub link. We're going to highlight it, right click, copy, and come back to our document. And here again we're going to put a hyperlink, right click and paste, and apply, and we can close this, and we can come here, hover over it, and see that the link is in there. Besides putting link wherever it is appropriate, what you will want to do is go to the bottom of each of your pages. Let's go to the bottom of the first page here, and we're going to clear up some space. The best way to do this, in order to be sure you're not making any mistake, is go to your blog and highlight the URL, right click and copy. Come back here to your document and right click and paste. The paste is at the bottom, it has gone out of the screen, but I'm pasting it, and here it is. You can see that in this way it puts in the hyperlink, and you don't have to worry about putting in the hyperlink yourself. So you go through every page and you put at the bottom the link to your blog. After you're finished with all of this, you go to File, and now you will come down here to Export as PDF. You're going to make a PDF document out of the whole thing. Now this is going to bring up a big form that you don't have to worry about. Just leave everything as it is on the default settings, and just come down here and say Export. When you hit this export, it's going to bring up this screen that is going to want to put your ebook in a PDF format and put it somewhere in some space that is associated with OpenOffice. You don't have to leave it there. You can just go to anywhere on your computer. I'm going to go to my desktop, and in my desktop I am going to create a folder, and I'm going to call it ebooks, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to give a name to my ebook. I'm going to call it Alternative Medicine, and hit save. And now let's go and see what we have created. You see here in ebooks that I created through the last screen. I'm going to open it, and here is my Alternative Medicine ebook. I'm going to open it, and as you can see, my ebook is ready. We can pass it out. You can see that if I click on this, it is going to ask me to allow this link to be connected. I'm going to allow it, and here we are in Amazon. So as you can see, we have created an ebook that we can distribute, and people that are interested in what is in it can go and buy, and we can get a percentage of the sale. In the next video I'm going to show you how to set up the autoresponder and get you a mailing list.